It's a 2018 Audi S5 Coupe, crafted to provoke emotion and maybe even a little envy in every person you drive by. 2018 is the first year of a complete redesign that keeps the S5 moving forward. It comes with great features you love: automatic transmission, sport suspension, engine auto stop start feature, power tilting sunroof, integrated navigation system, refrigerated box located in the glove box, dual zone climate control, streaming audio, driver memory seats, memory exterior door mirror settings, and intercooled turbo V6 engine. New Car Test Drive calls it a grand touring car designed to cover lots of ground at high speed while coddling a pair of occupants. They seat 2+2. The rear seats are for the occasional adult passengers or for bringing small kids along. Crafted to provoke emotion and maybe even a little envy in every person you drive by. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.